Today I just want to show you quickly how to fry fish. Now, not all fish can be fried, so if you do get your fish from the fish shop, it's best to ask them which fish it is that you can fry. Once you get your fish, they'll scale the fish and clean the fish up for you, but when you come home you'll still have to wash it again and just check to make sure that it's clean. You can wash it with lime, you can wash it with vinegar, and then once you wash it, then you drain it, or you use a hand towel to pat it and get rid of the excess water. If you don't get rid of the water and you try to fry it, when you put the fish into the hot oil with the water, it will splash and you can hurt yourself. So it's best to use a paper hand towel, some paper hand towel, or a hand towel, a clean hand towel, to dry the fish. Once you dry it, then you add your seasoning. If you're someone who likes a lot of seasoning, you can go ahead and put whatever you fancy. I don't like a lot of seasoning, so all I put on my fish was all-purpose seasoning, but in most cases it's just black pepper and salt. And once you have your fish prepped, then you go ahead and get your oil hot and start frying. And that's where we'll take the video from today. Welcome to my channel and to Dalian's Kitchen, where I share simple and delicious dishes you would enjoy. My motto here is simple: make do with what you have. Thank you for watching and for allowing me to share my passion with you, as this is not a cooking channel. Please remember to like and share the videos with others. If you haven't yet subscribed, why not do so today and come join the family here. Again, thank you for watching.